Okay, continuing. The engine compartment. There's a Griffin aluminum radiator and fan. This was done by me. I removed the original, which I still have and will go with the vehicle. As most people know, on the big block 427s, they do have a cooling issue. And being in Southern California, like today at 105, if you want to drive the car, you want to be safe and make sure it doesn't overheat. Okay, I go around the other side here. Carburetors are numbered and are the correct ones to match the paperwork. Obviously the engine number, transmission, rear end, all of that does match. See if I can get that number in here. Down in there. This is a frame off restoration, as depicted in the notes of the commentary. Again, here are the door gaps. Okay, all right, let me start this thing up. This is pretty much a cold start. I just moved it about 30 feet. You can see hands on there. Oh, as I come across the dash, there's one mark on the dash right here that's got a little blemish in it. All right.